grooves on it from where it was on the oven racks. So I don't know if it's going to come out, but we'll try. Look at it. It's interesting here. It has come apart from here. So maybe it'll come out. Let's give it a whirl. Doesn't seem to want to move. Okay, I'll put it out in the snow and let it freeze up. And then it's supposed to sweat when it thaws.
These ideas.
Yeah, and this
Well
is
done.
months down the line, like people remember these stuff.
There's a credibility that comes with a show that defines itself as finite.
Put it down right here. Beautiful day. Look at those nice clouds. It's very mild out today. It's a very nice day. It's gonna be a fine day.